I'm not actually sleeping in my car, but in 2003 I did, just to get a home in this community. The lot was just down there, and the floor plan was just like this one. Back then, it was just a dream and a dirt lot. Now, this neighborhood is thriving with so much built up around it. There's even a newer path now, connecting straight to Cedar Creek Plaza, something I didn't have when I lived here. And this floor plan, still as good as I remember. Open living space, room to spread out, and easy to make your own. Over 1,500 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a 2-car garage, and a brand new roof that's already done. And it's priced to give you room to make it yours from day one. I wish I'd kept mine. Don't miss this chance to get yours.